4:30 in the morning and I'm packing my things. We are going for a little bit longer hike in the mountains. It's 5:20 in the morning and it's still pitch dark. And it's about 20 minutes to the sunrise, so we still have a time. Air?
Ja, ja. No?
Little? Kecil air?
Ya, ya.
Ah.
Iya. Mau kemana?
Lahangan sih. There's more and more people on a trail. It's a chance to practice Indonesian. Mau kemana? Ahmed.
Ja.
Okay. Lahangan sweet. Imo. The people usually ask me, why are you hiking or why are you going to the mountains and swimming, but why people go to the mountains at all? I think they need some extraordinary or some special emotions, and I think we in our lives we really miss the strong emotions, and that's why we're doing these things, because mostly your everyday life is just flat. Isn't it beautiful? And if you're still asking me why I'm going to the mountains, then that's the answer. Yeah, it takes some effort to get up here. It's not easy, but with a little training, it's not that hard. And that's the reward, what you get for it. Now let's take a time lapse here, because the sun will rise up here. We have to be quick. Time lapse done. We're going to the next spot.
Jalan-jalan.
Ya, jalan-jalan. Selamat pagi, ladies. Pagi. Local shop. And this is 600 meters above the sea level. So that's how the cashew nut is growing. There's a lot of them here. See? doesn't feel safe to be next to it. First we thought it's a generator, but no, it's just to make a noise. Right or left? Left. Okay, left. Elliot, right or left? Left. Left. Trying out the new trail. Hopefully we will get down in the right place. I don't want to stuck on a mountain. Doesn't look like a proper trail, but yeah. How are we gonna get through that one? Okay, let's try. So now we crawl. Yeah. If it will continue same as another 100 meters, then we move back to the another trail. You see, there's some plants growing on it already, and the leaves, and now it starts looks better. But I'm just lazy and I don't want to go that another trail. Probably we're wasting a lot of time at the moment, and it would be faster that one, but laziness, that's something which makes humanity move. So I'm not exclusion. Look at this. That's a massive one. Yeah, that's what I got then. Looks like a nice trail. We will get closer to the home. It becomes really hot, so we're rushing home, and we are really close. I think another 10-15 minutes and we will be at home. Elliot, right or left? Left. Okay, left. That's how the people live here. Pagi. Apa kabar? The garage is too small for the car. The ass is outside. We are out on the main road. So far we did 10.6 kilometers, and it's about 500 meters to home. So long. Elliot, haircut? Yeah. Local grocery shop. Pagi. That's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow on Instagram and Facebook, just because if you follow us there is a lot of fun which you're missing.